You know why that Dennis Brown is my favorite Dennis Brown? You see the youth of that Jamaica, they're fighting for the wrong cause. They're not fighting for the right thing.
True that.
I'm gonna fight for your lane, I'm gonna fight for your avenue, I'm gonna fight the extort his own brother, his own mother, his own stepmother, his own great... Hey, let me tell you something.
Friend killer.
Make no one out there, you know. Yes, man. No one out there. So ready again? Everybody get up, man. Get up, man. Get up, man. Get up. Up, up, up. Hey, man. Get up, man. Get up, man. When you are 15, a country girl, a And when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls that work up, girls that love us up around, just go down. Right out NCB, right out of the Dakota. Brown and mothers when they put more bus, then come stop out there. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out there. If you know a half a tree, everybody give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. Come on, who are me here, them, they're not up. But I'm here, they're out there, they're go. So they come down, they're out there. And every Saturday, they're out there, and they're man. But she can you don't know them and be best friend. Come up in the end, them beat and I'm carrying. If you think of the end, they're too far. Then come here and you go make a part. And go right now, NCB, right out of the Dakota. Brown and mothers when they put more bus, then come stop out there. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out there. Look! We never know say so much woman could have been for one island. But welcome to Jam 1. Every time me turn a woman from me left and me right hand, like me name is a mention. All I can see a different class and race and nationality. If you're proud to be Jamaican, everybody stand me up again, man. Right out the right out NCB, right out of the Dakota. Brown and mothers when they put more bus, then come stop out there. Girls are brown, girls are black. Take it up, take it up. No one didn't tell you you couldn't roam the street. But that's what happens when the rubber dumping gets sweet. You rock all night, we want to rock back till the morning. The music's so right, we don't even care about the dawning. Nobody will have the hand. How does it feel to have been on? What up to that people nice? And you feel like you would have. How we need your body wise. You know. Hey. When you want to meet a country, and when you want to meet a uptown, when you want to meet the world come. How you feeling? We're not gonna hold it up too much. I have one more song to do. So hear me I say now. Tonight we want to pick up the mothers in the house, the grandmothers, the baby mothers, the stepmother. We left out on our mother them, mother-in-law. Which other mother? Mother figure. Yeah. Alright. Everybody in here want to take out to the phone, you know. Can you see that one here? We are sending straight to your mother. Make it pick up yourself. One make. You ready for me? You ready yet? It's a big one talk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we want to big up Dennis Emmanuel Brown, because trust me, you see D Brown are one of the best boys in the history of music, not even reggae music. Music, I love that man dearly. And I'll go to like a story. I was in Miami, and the last picture Dennis Brown took with me, myself, Dennis Brown, and my brother named Jack, and the next day I got Jamaica and passed away. I'm gonna tell you, you see that picture there? Dear to my heart. Dennis Brown reminds me so much of myself in his personality. Always a smile, always jovial. I love Dennis Brown from the bottom of my heart. Big up in you then, yes? Yeah! If you're not your mother, everybody take out the lighter. Take out the lighter, everybody. Turn on the light, turn on the light, turn on the light, turn on the light, turn on the lights. Wasn't right when mama held me tight. Stayed up late all through the night to run me gently to sleep. And over there to compete, making sure we had the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise. If you love your mother, everybody start here from side. side to side. You're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. I said this love is exclusively. You're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. She worked day and night for over 20 years. Through sweat, blood and tears, trying to make the stress disappear. And no one else is so dear. My mama, she's always near. A mama like you should be a mama for everyone. Someone who understands and do the best she can. Say if you love your mother, push up your heart. You're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. I say your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I just want to say, enough respect to Dennis Emmanuel Brown. I love you, D Brown, yes. Hey!
Secret, they have a song about Marcus Garvey. Yo, we're looking forward to August.